Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play call recorder files. First, open your call recording application on your smartphone. Once the app is launched, you'll typically see a list of your recorded conversations. Take a moment to locate the specific call you wish to listen to from this list. This initial step ensures you're ready to access your audio. After selecting your desired call, you'll usually find a play button or a similar icon within the call details. Simply tap this button to start the playback. Some apps might require an extra tap on details or more to reveal the recording option. The recording will then begin to play through your device's speakers or connected headphones. Most call recorder apps offer standard playback controls like pause, rewind, and fast forward, allowing you to navigate through the conversation. You can also adjust the volume directly from the playback screen. Once you've finished listening, look for options to share the recording via email or messaging apps, or to delete it if no longer needed. If you encounter issues playing a recording, first check your device's media volume to ensure it's not muted or too low. Sometimes, files can be corrupted during recording or download, preventing playback. If problems persist, try playing the file with a different media player, such as VLC Media Player, which supports various codecs. Also, confirm your call recording app is updated to its latest version.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.